you ready to part 2 of smashing the master lock. And if you don't strike me, I have protection. Yep, I definitely have protection here. See? Let's go smash this thing. You guys out there, actually I'll just do a tour. Half tour of my house. And I already gave you a tour of my house, but whatever. Anyway, let's go.
As you know, last time, I actually cracked open like a hole, you know. Okay, spread that. Woo. Get more juicy stuff, like this. And you know where the piece is rattling around. Mechanism. I can like almost push it down. Smashing it. Trying this stuff. Velcro. I think on this. Yeah, okay. Oh, now the Velcro can't peel off. Oh wow, that is smart. Why is this not breaking? Do it, just. Screw's broken. That's like pure metal. What do I do? Where's the tools do I have? This thing is like so close to like fully going down. I'm trying to turn this a bit. Oh, I broke two of the spinning thingies. Two of them are not broken. Like I said, no, at least the first two numbers of the log has to be 46. Right? Yeah, 46. Or else I'm never going to get this up with the code. I'm going to have to use the hammer. Like I should have just started guessing one number at a time. That's a bit too late, isn't it? Yeah, it is a bit too late. That looks like pretty strong. Yeah, other side. Nothing is working. It's guns out. It's all grinded. I wonder why. Yeah, I wonder why. Woo! Like someone's trying to break in here. A few times. It just looks like someone's just grinding over this. but just like around. Oh, not this. This number just has to be 4. I can change the next number. Yeah, because that 4 thing's broken. I'll see if I can unbreak it. Like moving the entire thing. It's not working! It's better to come up by the end of the series. Oh my god! Bouncing it back and forth. Don't think this was designed for hammering. Wow, I can do this all day. Do you think I'm gonna get a dent? I think it's broken. Definitely twisted quite a bit. Yeah, it's broken. Look at this! It's like twisted. Like twisted off. Oh, this grinding. That one piece right there. It's a screw! That was screw! Ah! Ah! So close to getting this thing off. I can literally pull this thing off. That is so loose! Yes! I have to in the screw bit. I can see the screw. Whoa! Oh, there's 2 screws. It doesn't even look like anything was there. Genius. Next time you ever start a room, just call the position of. Oh. I thought it'd be more like giant hole there. Okay, let's go destroy it now. Okay. So here it is. Okay, let's destroy it. I feel like I'm gonna hit myself. Oh, the screws. Oh, so you put the screws in from the other side. How do you open this thing? That's what I'm wondering. I really want to know what's inside this thing. What? I get to do stuff. I get to hit it as hard as I can. Decent! Woo! Once you get off the wall, then you can seriously do some damage. Yeah, that thing's destroyed. Oh wow, it's like this giant middle. No wonder it's so sticky, there's like a middle. It's just straight in the middle of here. The door better come open by now. It's still locked. It's just a big chunk of metal at this point. I've just destroyed this entire thing in the... You see that now? It's just a weird... Woo! Oh god. What is this? Oh, it's another piece.
I was expecting there to be a key in here. I wanted a spare key to the house. People who lived in this house are going to be watching this video like, no, I bought that with my own money. Should have told them the code. If I knew that code, I wouldn't be doing this. Be using it. Real purpose. But the house owner never told us the code. So now it's getting destroyed. Who cares how much money this is? If I actually find out the code, I'm going to be like, imagine if someone just walks over. Hey, here's the kind of thing I'm just like, maybe want to get to the mechanism so I can make out the video on how this works. Oh yes! God! Destroy the entire thing. How is it? It's still locked. Oh god. All the keys are jammed. Everything's broken. At this point I have no time. I just have to go. Does anyone want this? Who thinks? Someone wants this. Oh god. What is this piece? Oh, this must be the slider piece. That would come up here and just close it up. Huh. Now it's stuck open. And I still haven't broken it. Oh, I think it's broken. Good. It isn't. Wait. It's a key! There's a key in here! There's a key in here! What? There's a key in here! Wait, why is there a key in here? Oh. A key in here! Holy! I don't get that. Give me the key! Put my key in here! Bruh! There's a key! Ow! There's a key in here! Give me the key! Ah! Key in here! Just so you know, I didn't buy this, or else I would be literally using it. What? There's a key in here? Why the hell did he have the extra key? Ah! Well, maybe I just... I think I found one of the locking mechanisms. I guess the door's open now? Let it open! Well, this will get open, to be honest. There's a key in there! Yes! I broke it open. There's legit a key in it. Bruh. I seriously have to break the... Okay, this isn't gonna be hard. Yes, the entire thing just fell apart. Okay. I'll keep this bit. This bit's the locking mechanism. Which I've kind of destroyed. I can push it back together. There's a key! Okay, now let's go back to the locking mechanism. Let's see what the code was. Who knows how this thing ever opened? Okay, I'm gonna need a screw to get this open. So that goes up like this. This piece is locked. So I got one bit of the code correct, at least. Okay. Alright, so you see how much time I have left? Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this out of the video, but in the video here, so don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. In the next video, I'm gonna be taking this locking mechanism apart. So smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!